Hey, so this is my virtual classroom. I did one for like a first grader class. So over here I linked my welcome video. We're not gonna watch it. uh, it makes me a little self-conscious. But here I have, like at the top, this is where the worksheets are, the three at the top, 1, 2, 3. This is some math, and then this is phonics, and then this one is science, and all of these websites are very helpful, I thought. They're all free and downloadable, so this technically would be considered like a first grade worksheet, and each of these they were all with different sounds, and I just thought it was really, really neat that they were all free. And then here's the science website for the worksheets, and it has just all sorts of topics with free and downloadable worksheets available. Here I have some math games for a grade level of first grade, and it's just got all these different topics that we would have in the classroom, and so they can just play the games, with what we're talking about in class. Here I have some free books that I found, so if the child does not have, access to a physical book, and we're in school and, something's going on, they can get online, and they have all these books that are available for free. So I thought that was very, very neat, and a super good tool to have for the students to have access to. This is an arts tab. I looked for some games, and so PBS Kids has all these art games. So whenever we're in that lesson, for a little bit of fun, they can go and play some games. Here I have some phonics and vocabulary games. I did not know that there were as many vocabulary games out there that you could use for kids, but apparently there are, and I found a ton of selections, so I just went with the one that I liked the most. I found this website for science games, and it has just about every topic that was on that game website. So that will be handy too, because it's kind of going hand in hand with each other. Here is another link to some more math games. Mathplayground.com. This reminded me of a website that I played when I was in elementary school. So I chose that one because it just kind of gave me some nostalgia back to those days. And then here I have a virtual tour set up to the San Diego Zoo. And so, with everything going on, field trips are not really like a thing right now. So I chose this because you can go on a tour of all the enclosures. So I thought that would be fun. And I also linked over here, I linked one more. It's a virtual tour for Yellowstone. And it does walkthroughs through the different areas of the park. And, I thought that was so neat. And so I don't know. It's just cool because I didn't really take into consideration that so many kids were going to be affected, for field trips. Because, when you were little, I always looked forward to going on those. So then over here, for ELL students, I found this website, and it's got everything. It's got games. It's got just, activities, lessons, things for the different grade levels, art, music, math, any of it. It's got some seasonal stuff over here, which I thought was super cute. Over here, I have some music games, so when we're ever in a music lesson, if we have some spare time and they can do it, then they can get on here and play some music games. And then over here, I found a first day of school song, so I thought it'd be cute, and fun when they're looking around the classroom, the virtual classroom, and they find this little song, and they can click on it and begin listening But yeah, that's my virtual classroom. Hope you liked it.